thinking?
I'd be thinking.
You'd be thinking.
I'd be thinking.
What's your brother? Hey, Bobby, are there engine mounts we need to undo?
Yes, but we're gonna have to go up either
No,
way.
the big one, the clicky one.
What are you looking for?
Flashlight.
His big pointy flashlight that has the battery. Yeah, there. The Sherman Chingus.
Okay, so we still have that connected, right?
Yes. Exhaust. Yeah, that wiring's cute.
Shouldn't we immediately tape over the engine cores?
No.
We're gonna tear it down. It's
They're gonna,
fine.
yeah, they're gonna turn
We're
it.
gonna tear the whole fucking. We can take a leak in it right now. It wouldn't make a difference.
Put something in there for television. Somebody had really
Don't know how this thing ran with this thing in
set
it.
the valves down.
Don't worry, Grant. Remember what they always say in school?
Okay,
No
we've got to
question's a bad
disconnect.
question.
We've got to
Dumb question.
disconnect this thing right here.
Boys.
You see this? This is for the beautiful Dynaflow. We have to take that fill tube out, and we got to take that bracket off because we're going to separate the two of them eventually.
Oh, from the train. Are you gonna lift it up for us?
But we could lift it up and get that, right? Or do you want to do it from the tube?
No, well, we got to drop the train. We have to get the transmission out.
Yeah, so let's do that.
And no, and I would like to point out because it was in the instructions.
In the instructions.
It was in the instructions. It turns out there's a mount that bolts for the exhaust that bolts to the transmission right there.
Right
It's got
there.
like 3 foot long bolts. See it?
Yeah. Yeah.
You see it? You
Yeah.
see it? You see it? You see it?
I synced it.
I seen it. Okay, we got to take that apart too.
Well, we can do that
So I
in the
think
air,
we do
right?
need to get it up. Do we get it in the air? No, let's get this off first. Let's get that off first, and then we can do that other shit from underneath.
Usually you get it up and then you get it off.
If that's the case,
Well, that's a personal problem.
They have pills for that. Okay, so yeah, we need to undo that from the back to side. Oh, get high!
Do we need to save this little gizmo?
Yes, that's the screw for the thing.
For the dipstick?
That's thinking with your dipstick, Jimmy. Do we even have a Jimmy?
Yeah, just tape it all together.
I don't even
Wait a
know.
minute. Can you double check? Because
if we're on
it's
the
me this
support.
time of day to check. Let's make sure we're in a good spot.
Looks good. Send it, Sherman. Pass ladies' lingerie up to housewares.
What the hell?
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Sherman, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Fine.
Take him to Audi and get you in alignment.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we told them.
Yeah.
This is a torque tube rear axle. This is a torque tube right here. We have to push this whole thing back so it clears this dealy bopper, which is otherwise known as the torque ball.
So you got to put the shaft behind the balls.
It says something to that effect. We need
Nice. 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 Chuck agreed with shaft behind the balls. That's the dipstick tube that I pulled out. It's fine.
I didn't have the flywheel was exposed.
That's from a hose clamp.
Hose, yeah. The lower hose clamp.
All right. Yeah, we got to undo about 47 fucking nuts in there.
Sounds like a fun Saturday night.
Here?
Yeah, so you're uncoupled.
It's got gonorrhea
so, yeah.
and blood.
Oh my god.
There's a green discharge and a red discharge.
Andre, is it gonorrhea?
Maybe. They make a pill for that. And a shot. And a drip.
Scary looking.
They don't just chop it off after that?
So it says disconnect torque tube from torque ball and move rear axle back
Looks like
to
a frog in a
disengage prop shaft from universal joint. So we got to find a way to get that axle back far enough so it clears that because it hasn't yet.
Gotcha.
So
So so we got to pull the rear end back to the shaft to disengage the balls.
something like that. Now,
Son of a bitch.
we don't want to
Hot damn.
We do not want to do it through force because if we start pushing on that, you're putting the stress on this and this, and you really
that's no
don't want
fun.
the car to move.
No.
So we have to try and separate it We have to separate it here.
I'm just watching Sherman do some Sherman. That's the Sherman Chinggis.
Well, the other thing that I did, if you recall, is right now it's resting on the torque tube. Now we can jack it back up again with that.
What's a torque tube? I always wanted to see a torque tube.
This is a torque tube.
It's not a drive shaft.
It's the thing. The shaft goes in the tube.
Oh, the
Shaft is in the
That's
tube.
you know that you learn that
that's
when you're
like-
like 7.
This is like you when you were like 12 playing around with the toilet paper rolls.
I split those at 12 too.
See what I'm saying?
My buddy Justin got his stuck in a Gatorade bottle once at school. Don't take gas station boner pills in 3rd period when you're 16.
Why do you even need a boner pill when you're 16?
16 anyway, yeah.
Have you met
Just something to
Justin?
do.
Yeah, you haven't met Justin. It's fine.
God, I needed an anti-boner pill when I was 16.
Yeah, it was trouble.
That's beautiful. Cool.